Hey there, I'm Simon. I'm the founder of Delineate, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo of how Delineate helps Shopify store owners drive profit and attract loyal customers. So Delineate focuses on profitability and customer lifetime value analytics, where the goal is to not just focus on revenue and growth, which can be misleading, but to help make your business more profitable and sustainable with a more loyal and healthier customer base. Let me show you how. So here on the overview dashboard, it provides a daily health check for your business centered around this contribution margin metric. Contribution margin, if you haven't heard of that, it's probably the most important health metric you should be assessing on a daily basis. It's essentially your revenue minus all variable costs, including marketing. So it answers the critical question, can I scale sustainably? So a positive contribution margin number means that you're making money and can scale, even if net profit is temporarily negative, because those fixed costs, which are included in net profit, tend to stay fixed, so they essentially get washed out as you scale up. So on the dashboard, you'll see your revenue, your orders, your average order value. You're probably familiar with all of those, but you'll also see your average order value in contribution margin terms, showing you that you're making money on a per order basis. It also shows you marketing efficiency ratios, and this is going to give you an idea of whether your marketing spend tends to be producing a positive ROI, both in revenue and gross profit terms. Then down here, we can see all of that in a detailed table showing daily profitability, costs, and first versus repeat order patterns, all on a daily basis and all heat mapped, so you can easily identify if you're making or losing money every single day. Over here on the customers dashboard, the goal is to help you understand and optimize the health and profitability of your customer base through detailed cohort and behavior analysis. So for each monthly cohort of new customers, Delineate shows what's the customer acquisition cost and the percentage of CAC that the cohort has paid back in gross profit terms, as well as payback time. So how long does it take to recoup the initial customer acquisition cost, or CAC, helping you decide how much you can afford to spend acquiring similar customers and how long you'll need to wait for that to happen. Down here, we can see the actual cohort activity for each cohort, alongside the percentage of CAC that has been paid back at each point in time. And this is going to help provide insight into how profitability per customer evolves, helping you set realistic payback expectations and evaluate profitability and performance of each cohort. Down here, we've got the customer journey, so we can see how long it typically takes for customers to make a second purchase when they do, in fact, make a second purchase. So use this data to plan discount or win-back offers, ensuring that you are doing enough to entice customers back, but without offering discounts prematurely to those who would have purchased anyway. Down here, we've got our customer concentration chart. So we can see how a small percentage of customers, 10% of customers, contribute a huge amount of revenue and of contribution margin. This is going to give you insight to do a couple of things. One, do everything that you can to retain this top 10% of customers, because they're contributing such an outsized return for your business. But also you can start to inspect the attributes of those customers so you can help attract more of them. What products do they tend to purchase first? What channel do they come from? What discount code do they use? So on and so forth. So these tools can empower you to build a loyal and profitable customer base and optimize long-term growth. Over here on the product analytics dashboard, this is going to help you understand how different products drive profitability and attract high-value customers. So up here, we can look at customers' purchase patterns from their first to second order, so that we can understand what would make good bundles and follow-up offers in emails after purchase. We can see that they tend to buy this as their first product, or this as their first product, but then they tend to buy this other different product over here as their second product. So how could we bundle those, or how can we alter our email flows to account for all of that? Then down here, we can see which products, when purchased in a customer's first order, predict a higher lifetime value. So essentially, which products are attracting better and more loyal customers, both in contribution margin terms and in revenue terms, so that you can prioritize these products in ads and in promotions. And then down here, we can track the profitability by each product in terms of sales, margins, refunds, and sales velocity. So you can help get an understanding of which products are really driving the needle, moving the needle for you in profit terms, not just looking at those revenue metrics. So to get all of this data for your store, simply install our Shopify app at delineate.co. Input your key cost data through our simple integrations and forms. And from there, Delineate is going to show you your key metrics like contribution margin, your customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, giving you actionable insights to help you optimize your profits and customer loyalty. So with Delineate, you can ensure a profitable, scalable, and sustainable business. Thanks for watching.